Hi, grade threes. Today we're going to be looking at some strategies for when we go multiplying by 5. I also figured since Easter is coming this week that maybe we would take a little bit of time to go on an Easter egg hunt. Are you ready? All right, how many eggs do you think we will find in this field? Take a couple seconds and maybe come up with an estimate of how many eggs you think are going to be hidden. How can we use our multiplication skills to count our eggs? As long as the eggs are in equal groups, we can use multiplication to help us count them faster. Hopefully, they're all in groups for us. How many groups of eggs do you see? How many eggs are in that group? Are all of our groups the same? I see 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of eggs. Inside each group, there are 5 eggs. I can write that as a multiplication sentence. 4 times 5 equals 20. I have 4 groups of 5. All right, how many eggs do you think are hiding in this yard? Make a quick prediction. All right, how many groups of eggs do you see? How many eggs are in each group? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of eggs. And it looks like inside each group there are 5 eggs. I can write that as a multiplication sentence. 5 times 5 equals 25. I can skip count by 5s to get that answer. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, how many eggs do you think we will find on this playground? Ready? How many groups of eggs do you see? And how many eggs are in each group? I see 1, 2, 3 groups of eggs. Inside each group is 5 eggs. I can skip count by 5s to help me with my answer. I see 5, 10, 15 eggs. So 3 times 5 equals 15. How many eggs do you think we will find outside this school? Are you ready? How many eggs do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of eggs. Inside each group is 5 eggs. I can skip count by 5s to help with my answer. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That tells me that 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 groups of 5. Here I've taken all of our 5 facts and I've written them from the top to the bottom. I want you to take a look and see what patterns you can find. The easiest pattern to see is with the answers. It increases by 5 each time, just like skip counting. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. If you can skip count by 5s, you can multiply by 5s. The last thing I want to show you is a really cool strategy to help you be faster when you're multiplying by 5s. If I have a question like 4 times 5, I would hold up my 4 fingers and use each finger to skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. That strategy will work for all of your 5 facts. Now that you've got some strategies and some tools to use, go ahead and start on your practice work.